Okay, so here we are. We are fixing the mower deck of our Husqvarna mower. This is the 54-inch deck, and it uses the quick connect for the blades. And at the end of last summer, a kiddo had put a large rock in some high grass, and we didn't see it and ran it over, and it busted up the clip from the quick connect, bent two of the blades, so we're having to replace all three blades, and we're going to replace this today. I've never replaced this before, so we're going to go ahead and see how difficult it is. This whole piece is $110, and there's no alternative unless you replace all of the mechanisms here, which I don't plan on doing, so hopefully this will be an easy fix. So I'm going to go ahead and get going, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so here we are, and I've gone ahead and taken the bolt out of the holder here, and there it is. I apologize about the bright light, I'm outside. And the way I'm doing this is I've got two pieces of plywood, 2x4s underneath the brackets here, and what I'm using is a 22mm wrench here up under this nut that keeps the pulleys from spinning, and I'm cracking this loose, and unfortunately there it is. It's a 16mm socket that I'm using for this. I thought I was going to have to use a breaker bar, but a socket worked just fine. And I'm working from, the opposite of the wheel here, okay? So there's a open surface. It gives me better reach, and I can actually get the wrench around the nut that's down there. So if you don't have more than one person helping you to hold this thing up or to hold the wrench, this is the best way that I found to do it, because I'm out here by myself. And this just basically pops off, and you'll replace the unit as needed. Alright, so we've got the blades installed on two, but I want to show you something with these blades. So when you go to install these blades on the Husqvarna mower deck, these are offset, okay? These little oval holes are offset so that you can't accidentally install them the wrong way. See how they won't line up if they're on upside down? So if you have them properly installed, they pop right on. So it's pretty simple. They thought that through. If the offsets weren't there and you have just this piece, you'll have to figure out and make sure that you've got your blades installed the proper way for cutting. So that's something that you'll have to do for your specific mower, but this is for the Revolution toolless blade setup. And then basically, being toolless, what they mean is you have this clamp that'll lock down in place. So it just clicks on there, and you just press this down, make sure it's locked in, and you're good to go. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll be done. So far, that whole process probably took me about 15 minutes to do, minus setting up, and getting the camera and everything. But all in all, 15 minutes wasn't bad. I could probably do them all now, having done it one time, probably in less than that. So, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, not much to worry about. It would help if you had a helper to break those nuts loose, but a couple of tools, a couple 2x4s, you should be good to go. Alright, we're ready for the season.